Hi everyone. This week I created a frameable abstract painting in just 10 minutes, and so can you. You know, these quick paintings are such a great way to practice, but they're also awesome gifts. So, to get started, all you need to do is add some masking tape to the edges of a piece of mixed media paper or watercolor paper. I'm using an A2 size paper that I think is about 40-ish times 50 centimeters or so. And on my palette, I have two colors, Azo Yellow Medium and Ultramarine Violet Light. And I also created a third color by mixing these two colors together. So you just find a color that you like with the two of them and go for it. And now that everything's set up, you can just have fun. But remember that if you want to create a successful frameable painting in just 10 minutes, there's one rule. You have to keep moving. You're not allowed to stop and think about what it looks like or where you want it to go. So I finished my painting in exactly 10 minutes, but I did dry the surface twice and decided to cut out that boring part with the heat gun. All right, I hope you enjoy this one. And remember that as long as you have 15 to 20 minutes, you have enough time to set everything up and even clean up your mess afterwards. So practice is key. Paint as much as you can and as often as you can. I can't stress that enough, guys. All right, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you next time.